Unlocking the peaks. The essentials of mountaineering tools. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and adventurous topic, mountaineering tools. Whether you're a seasoned climber or just curious about the sport, understanding the essential tools for mountaineering is key to ensuring safety and enjoyment on the mountains. So, let's get started on this thrilling journey to the peaks. Mountaineering tools are specialized equipment used by climbers to navigate and ascend mountains safely. These tools are designed to help climbers tackle various terrains, from icy slopes to rocky cliffs. Understanding each tool's purpose and proper use is crucial for any mountaineer. Today, we will explore the most common and essential mountaineering tools that enable climbers to conquer the heights. Ice axes. An ice axe is a versatile tool that serves multiple purposes. It helps with balance while walking, acts as a climbing aid on steep slopes, and can be used for self-arrest during a fall. The design of an ice axe includes a pick, adze, and spike, each serving different functions on the ice and snow. Crampons. Crampons are metal spikes that attach to the bottom of mountaineering boots, providing added traction on ice and snow. They are essential for safely navigating icy surfaces and steep snow-covered slopes. Ropes and harnesses. Ropes are vital for safety and mountaineering, used for securing climbers to each other and to the mountain. Harnesses attach climbers to the rope, ensuring that they are safely tethered during their ascent or descent. Helmets. A helmet is a critical safety gear that protects climbers from falling debris and injury during a climb. It is an essential piece of equipment, no matter the terrain. Carabiners and belay devices. Carabiners are metal loops with spring-loaded gates, used for connecting components of the climbing system. Belay devices, used in conjunction with carabiners, allow climbers to control the rope during a climb, providing safety and support. Selecting the right mountaineering tools is dependent on the type of climb and the conditions of the mountain. It's important to research and understand the specific requirements of your climb to choose the appropriate gear. Additionally, always prioritize quality and durability in your equipment to ensure your safety on the mountain. We hope this guide to mountaineering tools has been informative and helpful. Remember, the right tools not only make your climb more enjoyable but are crucial for your safety on the mountain. Whether you're planning your first ascent or looking to tackle a new peak, being well-equipped is the first step to a successful and safe adventure. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best on your mountaineering journey.